welcome in PLC Smart Tips video. In this video we show how to change the color of the objects with the same color. What I mean, for example, we have the green color objects, and what we need, we want to change the color, the background color of all objects which are green. To do this, you can, for example, select all objects on the screen and then unselect the objects on which you don't want to change the background color, and then you just change the color, for example, to red. But there is also one more easy way. You go to the change object color property by right clicking on the screen. Here in the window you can see all the objects and the colors of these objects on the screen number 2. Now we want to change the background color of the objects which are green, so you just drag and drop this color to the color window and then choose the color for replacing this green color. For now we use, for example, red color, and then we click on the replace the color of the matching objects, and how you can see, everywhere where is used green color as a background, we replace it with a red color. How you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 objects, and then just click on the OK, and we change the color of all green objects. This is good, for example, when you have too many objects on the screen, and it's not too easy to unselect all objects on which you don't wanna change the color. Now it's too much objects to unselect, so you just go change object color, drag and drop or define the color of the objects on which you want to change the color, and again we replace it with yellow, for example. Find all matches, click on OK, and we change only the background color on the objects on which we want to do it. So I think it's simple and fast. So thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.